Okay guys, today we're recording the sound of this truck with a diesel engine. We have a mask over the microphone to block the wind. Unfortunately, I lost my windscreen, but hopefully this should do the job. Not entirely sure what levels we need here. I'm gonna give it a go, see how our levels turn out. So for this diesel engine starting up sound effect, very simple. It's really just a recording of a diesel engine, but I went in and applied an EQ. I wanted to pull up some of these low frequencies, obviously, because that gives it just a really nice full sound. I brought up the high frequencies a little bit, just so you can hear the mechanics of the engine a bit better. And then we compressed that. So we kind of take the loudness of all the parts and just kind of squeeze it. Just makes everything a little bit more tight and fills out the sound.